Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn about account snapshots within HighLevel. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, welcome back, and in this video I want to talk a little bit about account snapshots, right? This is, again, besides the sub-account feature, this is the most powerful feature inside of HighLevel, or in this case, Marketing Engines A.I. So under here we have my snapshots, we have imported snapshots, we have shared snapshots, and we have snapshot templates. So my snapshots is everything I've ever created from any of the sub accounts I've created within my own HighLevel account, right? So what you can see here going down the list, I have one here for the microservice business snapshot. This one's for a client. This one's for the reputation review engine. This one's for the lead alert engine. This one's for done for you marketing assistant. This one's for my own website. This one is for the local business marketing store. This one's for the local marketing minute. We book appointments for you, microservice insiders, etc., etc., etc. And what's really, really cool about this is I can create a brand new account from this right here. I can refresh the snapshot, which is very nice, because what I can do is I can create a snapshot. I can go back into the sub account where the snapshot was originally created, make a bunch of changes, make one little change, whatever the case may be, come back here, click on refresh snapshot, and it will bring in that most recent change to the snapshot. Then I can push the update to linked locations, which is another very cool feature. So if I have a snapshot that I created at such and such date, like this one here was created on October 18th, 2023. Then I've updated it as recently as November 28th. And let's say originally after I created it, I pushed it out to or imported it into a sub account back on October 18th or October 19th or somewhere along those lines. And then I made a bunch of significant updates to it in November. I can literally click push update to linked locations, and every one of those locations or sub accounts that I've pushed originally the snapshot to will now be pushed all the updates that I made to it as well. Very powerful stuff, right? And then we have these three dots where we can edit the snapshot, we can copy the snapshot ID, we can share the snapshot, we can delete the snapshot, we can do whatever we want with it. If we want to create a brand new snapshot, we can click on create new snapshot. Then what we do is we give it a name, and then we select the account we want to create it from. So if I want to create a new one from this particular sub account, I would select it and then I'd give it a name and then click save, and it does everything for me. I don't have to do anything else, and it'll end up in this list. Okay. The next thing is the imported snapshot. So if I click on that, that's just going to show me a list of all the ones that I've imported or have been given to me to import for a client or whatever the case may be. Shared snapshots, this one will show you any of the ones that I've created a permanent link for that people can use in order to gain access to them. And then snapshot templates, this is all the ones that HighLevel provides you with, which is pretty much niche or industry specific. They call them verticals in HighLevel, but those are the same ones you saw before. So you can, again, use them from here if you're not sure. They give you multiple places to do certain things inside of HighLevel. You have noticed that already. But the real power is in my snapshots, and again, it's creating specific snapshots from specific sub accounts that can be easily pushed into as many different sub accounts or client accounts as you want. That's the real power here, is you can create something one time and then it can be used over and over and over again, and even updated on the fly, and even those updates can be pushed to your clients' accounts or sub accounts. That's the awesomeness to account snapshots within HighLevel and makes HighLevel truly unique. All right, so that pretty much covers account snapshot. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.